Milkman Gaming, here we go. So decent line of sight, not too bad. Oh, we had an intersection, so we need to not be in yellow stage. You need to be in orange stage. My bad, I clicked the wrong button. Uncommon thing in a common situation there, right? That was uncommon. So this motorcycle rider did a good job. So right here, left turn signal, left turn lane. They made a mistake and wanted to go straight. So what they did was pull over, put their indicator back on, but then we have this right here. This is why we maintain a good space cushion. If we didn't have a good space cushion and we were right here, we would have to slam the brakes within this and then possibly hit this vehicle at no fault of their own. It's going to be that person's fault. So I like to hang out over here. So just in case, I'm like, oopsie, and I can do like a lane filtering position, or even in this case, oopsie, I could do a swerve. I do not like to be right behind the vehicle because this is all I have, or I'm going to have to swerve pretty dang hard to get to the left and right. Put yourself in a position for safety. Put yourself in a position for success. That's about planning your ride. You're always planning your ride, because when you're riding, you're always in yellow stage unless you hit an intersection or corner and you go into orange stage. All right, so did a good job with the progressive brake pressure. Let's take a look at it. Cool Breeze Rider, stop sign. Here we go. Let's see if we stop. It's a nice California rolling stop. Very nice. Let's go ahead and move on. That's going to be emerging to the left, so don't get in their blind spot. Don't fight for it. And that's what we did. Cool Breeze, let's not fight for it. That person's getting close to you. Why do you think they're getting close to you? Because the lane ended. Let's take a quick look at what I saw. You guys saw it too, right? I'm always looking for signs. Always. This is an indication. These barriers are an indication that something is going on. I am in orange stage at this point, especially if I'm side by side with another vehicle. When I see that this is going to be a merging, I'm all over the place on that one, but if it's going to be a merging sign, let them in. Law of gross tonnage means they're going to win anyways. So that person's already in front. Let them in. They're already going to do it. Already there. They got to merge over. Big giant arrow in their lane saying get over. Let them. But now we're going to accelerate and not let them. Can't be doing that. Look how close they are, because they're about to hit those cyclists. Who do you think they would rather hit? Where's the risk that they would rather take? They would rather take the risk of getting close to you than hitting those cyclists. Come on. Come on, Cool Breeze. I feel like you just did that on purpose. Here we go. Going through an intersection, orange stage, watch out for left turners or right turners. Swerve. Didn't swerve. Make sure you guys find that escape path. Get yourself out of there. Let's see what happens here. Sun in the eyes, open lane. Anybody can merge into us? Exactly it. That person wasn't paying attention. White stage and swerved out of the way real quickly. Good job with the progressive braking. So right here, once again, okay, got to keep paying attention to what we're doing. It feels like all we can do is just ride. I feel like all we can do is just ride straight and ride fast, and no motorcyclist wants to adjust their speed. Can anybody explain to me why motorcyclists don't want to adjust? It's like we're going 45. Let's say we're going 10 over because we're motorcyclists, right? We're going 10 over the speed limit. People start coming out in front of us. People start doing all these things, but we're just going to maintain that throttle. In fact, we're actually going to speed up. Like, we never want to slow down. How come motorcyclists don't want to slow down? Is it because you don't know how to downshift? Is it because you don't know how to actually apply brake pressure? Or is it all just because you have that ego and you feel like, people need to move out of your way? I don't know what it is. At the end of the day, I just don't want to get hit. So I'm going to do whatever the heck is possible. I'm going to do whatever factor. This is the situation I'm in. I'm going to make sure I do what I need to do. Here we go. Going through here. Slow down. Here we go. We are going to be in orange stage here. This is a roundabout. We got to be paying attention. Watch out for merging. He's already on the line. Don't get near him. There you go. Very good. He's going to go ahead and do that. That's what he wanted. Non-issue. Good job modulating your speed. He listened to me. Did a good job. Now we're going to go ahead and pass. I don't care what you do after that, but we're not being mean. Jonathan Castro. Here we go. Not smart here. Oh, we're not doing anything smart. So ABS kicked in there. We had a close call, but we're not going to learn from it. We're just going to continue doing this. And I hate this music. Thank you, Motostars. Oh my gosh. Bikers, don't do that, please. All right, so here, let's take a quick look. All right, I gotta pause this music since there's not. Let's go ahead and put my music on. All right, everybody. So here's the thing. We're gonna be hauling ass around this vehicle, playing around with our buddies. Double yellow line. crest of the hill. Why do you think this is a close call? So we're going to be coming around here. Can't see anything over the crest of the hill. Look at the road. It's absolute dog doo-doo. We're going to pass. Can't see anything. Thankfully, nobody's there. We're riding behind this person. It's not even our own ride. That person knows what we're doing. Right, Kevin Nichols, for the $5 donation. It's going pretty well. We're not riding our own ride. Once if this person sees a vehicle, swerves, but we don't see it in time, we can't swerve. Boom, we got hit. That's why you need to go when you need to go, not when somebody else does. So we just launched into the air. We just got ourselves some speed and got some air. Now, we have to slow down because we have a turn coming up. Are you prepped and ready for that? No, but our buddy is. Thankfully, we have rider aids called ABS and traction control. Not everybody has that, and not every time it works. So he got very lucky. Almost crashed into the back of our buddy. Couldn't even talk to him anyways because he doesn't have his own Cardo Pack Doc Bold. You know, with the code DDTF, link in the description, you're going to get a discount. Grab yourself a free Comp Spirit, Edge, or Pack Doc Bold, or Slim. Great stuff. But we're not even going to go ahead and pay attention to that. We're not going to learn from our mistakes. We're going to just go ahead and keep doing this, and then hopefully nothing happens the rest of the day. But for me, that's a good omen to call it a day. Honestly, I'm not going to be doing that kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and get music back on here. Skyline Squid going through here, having a lot of fun, going a little fast. Ooh, lost a little traction. Bike wants to stay up because of gyroscopic forces, and we're moving on with our day. Rain split, and here we go. Going through here, intersection. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. That was it. Okay, let's take a quick look at what happened there. All right, so we are going through here. This is going to be the side of the vehicle already. We're going to be in orange stage because, you know, there's just so much going on. Orange stage. Got to be paying attention, paying attention, paying attention. So we're going up through here. Now, why? It's a green light. Why are there brake lights? Uh-oh. My gut feeling. Gut feeling. Gut feeling. Brake lights on a green light. What's going on? Moving out of that way, planned our ride. We located that hazard and just adapted a little bit. Just adapted a little bit. Did a good job. Moving on with your day. Oh, more sides of the vehicles. Did I miss out on all these other ones? See, this is why you need to be in orange stage with a lot of traffic. This is definitely going to be an orange stage situation. Lots of traffic. People now coming out in front of you, side of the vehicle. People gunning it. Curl 6 moving through here. Ooh, sides of the vehicle, and we impacted. We saw it ahead of time. We just assumed that they were going to stop. No, that's not going to happen. People don't want to stop. So we're going through here. We have many sides of the vehicle. So we have to be paying attention. This is definitely an orange stage. Okay, we have this right here. Okay, first we have this roundabout. That's going to let us know that we're in an intersection. We have side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Everyone's waiting. They're going to go this way. They're going to go this way. This guy's going to just keep going in circles and try to kill you. Having a lot of fun. But the thing is, we're going through here. We see this. We see it. We see it. We see it. We see it. Now we have a line of sight problem. We can't see to the right. What is that vehicle doing? We don't know. We don't know. And now we see it. So when we're going through an intersection, we need to be covering those brakes. We need to go slower. He sped up. He sped up. Don't speed up into the intersection. I want you to speed up like out here, past the intersection. Here, you're going slower than normal, and then let's just go ahead and go. Okay, when you're in orange stage, you are slowing down a little bit because then when you slow down just a little bit, I'm saying like 2 miles an hour, slowing down. Slowing down just a little bit, you're going to get a little bit of that weight on that front tire. You're preloading that front tire on the ground. You're covering those brakes. So now you're preloaded, covering the brakes. Something like this happens, squeeze. Or you're preloaded on the front tires. And guess what? When you swerve, you have more weight on the front tires. Your front tire is the one going to make you turn left or right. So where are you going to swerve in this situation? You're pretty much screwed. Pretty much screwed here. You can only really brake, and hopefully you're not going too fast. But the problem with motorcycle riding is that things happen. Sometimes car accidents just happen. It's nobody's real fault. Just everyone made mistakes, and that's life. So here's the thing. Make sure you become a smart rider. Smart rider principles. We acquire and use personal protective equipment just in case something like this happens. Guys, I don't know why none of you are joining the Smart Rider Basic Training e-course. It's only $4.99. It's linked in the chat. It's linked in the description. You're going to get training for $4.99. Even if it's a refresher, never ridden a motorcycle, never ridden a bicycle, never even walked anywhere, you're going to learn how to actually be situationally aware in Unit 1. You're going to learn how to utilize the motorcycle in Unit 2, and you're going to understand what kind of gear to get in Unit 3, and that's part of Smart Rider principles right there. You're also going to learn how to do tight turns, U-turns, figure eights, and then all the Smart Rider drills, the ride along with DanDanTheFireman and Motos with Matt, and you're going to have so much more. $4.99. Prevent this.